Hi again. Today we will analyze the pound USD chart. We're looking at daily chart. What we can see here is here we have our support and here we have our resistance. So we are in a range and we don't know if we are going up or we are going down. So we will look at lower time frames. First, I will go back to daily. So if you can look here, we have on the TDI, we have actually higher lows, while here we have lower lows. So we can say we have a divergence here, which supports the idea of this coming up. And if we look at 1 hour chart, we'll find this order block here, this one here. I will zoom in to refine it later now. So here we have our order block, and above it, if you can look here, we have this gap here, this gap here. So I will mark both. I will mark the gap and the order block. So, and I will look back here. So what we can see here is we have this lows 1, 2, 3, and underneath is liquidity. So what we are looking at to buy before we can buy this market, first we don't know if this an accumulation or distribution. It may be distribution and then and then to break this support. But we what we are looking at right now, before we do any of these, before we buy or sell, we will look for something like this. Maybe goes here. This is the buy scenario, and we will wait to come back and take these lows and do like a spring. And then if it reacts from here and go up, it should go and gives you and gives you a test here where you can enter the market and put your stop loss underneath this, and then we will expect it to go up, maybe to this order, because here also we have sort of double tops here. So our target will be maybe these orders here. So we will take above this liquidity, maybe above these double tops, and we will exit. This is the buy scenario. But I will do the sell scenario, because if this as it is distribution, we will look at something like this. We will wait for, I will change the color, red. We will wait for the tops to be taken first, then coming back and do the same, do a retest. This should be the UTAD, and this is a spring. And we will wait. And after that, we will put our stop loss, because I'm not really in favor of the selling scenario. But if so, as I said, we will enter here and then put our stop loss directly on break even, because it may also do this just to target this thing here. So it takes the liquidity above the tops, just to take the liquidity under the bottoms, and then do the same that we expected for buying and go up. Or if it comes back If it if it comes down like this, so of course but as I said before, you will have your stop loss here. So you won't on the first scenario you won't lose if it comes back up, and if it goes down, you'll be in profit. So, and also if it comes down, normally it comes back maybe to the middle of the range and then goes down. So you can add to your position here for the sell scenario and then take it downwards, maybe to these levels here. And we have also a huge imbalance. So I will mark also the imbalance with the order block. But this is on daily time frame, so it needs refinement, but we will do it later. So that's it for the next week for this pair. And also that's it for today. Follow for more.